Hey guys, I'm back again with another YouTube video, and today we are going to be doing some mermaid locks once again, but this time we're going to be using these bundles my client had brought from someone else, and she got them custom colored so that they have like these blonde kind of highlights. So we're going to be installing that in this video. Like always, I will be using the FreeTress 3x Fluffy Afro Twist hair, and I'll also be using Spring Twist hair. I went ahead and braided my client's hair down into some medium plaids, usually on the smaller side because I like a full look, and so does she. And then I crocheted some free twist hair, as you see me doing right here. I just crocheted the hair onto all of the plaits, and then I went ahead and made my locks. If you watched my last video, you will know that I pre-make all of my mermaid locks. However, this time, since my client brought me her bundles the same day of her appointment, I made the locks on her head, which is also no problem. But I typically like to pre-make my locks because it saves so much time in the chair, and long gone are the days we take 15, 16, 17 hours in the shop. Like, I just don't want to do that anymore. So I make my locks beforehand, but in the event someone brings any type of bundle that they want to use, sometimes I'll let you bring it the same day. Usually you got to drop it off, but this time I was like, okay, fine. So here I am separating my spring twist hair. I want to use about half or less than half. I just don't want a lot of hair to have to wrap around, because the more hair you use, the bulkier it looks, and the hair is already going to be full just with the amount of bundles that are provided. So I'm gonna take my spring twist hair and wrap it around my free twist hair and also the braided plait that I did. And I'm just gonna wrap until I feel the hair is secure, and then I will add my little pieces. I added about 2 to 3 pieces, sometimes 4 pieces of human hair onto each lock, just so that we used all of the bundles. And I took about a small amount, smallish kind of medium, and I wrapped the hair around the human hair, and then I folded some of the human hair down so I can secure it. And that way, using that method, I don't use any glue, or I don't have to braid it or anything, because it's secure when I do it that way. And basically that is what I do for the rest of the video until the end of the results. You can gladly keep watching to see how I achieve this, learn something, take a little notes. But yes, this is how I do it. this is the final result of my client's hair. I hope you enjoyed this video. I used colors 4, 27, and 613 to achieve this look. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, and thank you again for watching.